In Riften by the water, where the black rats run, I hid my face in velvet beneath the moonless sun. The guild door breathed like iron, and my debts all came due. You taught me how to vanish when the world looked through.
Step by step, past the lock and chain, name by name, we were born in shame.
Nightingales, sing my name.
Nightingale, take the flame.
Nightingale, take the flame.
In the dark we steal the door, till the last light's gone.
I wore the blackened feathers on a leather cord. Every vow was colder than the blade I swore.
We move through Richmond's silence, like smoke through cracked stone. A purse from a sleeping bishop, a crown from a dead king's throne.
No soft hand, no honest hand,
Just the knife and the hidden bend.
Nightingale, sing my name.
Shadow thief. Nightingale, take the flame.
Nightingale, take the flame.
Shadow thief. In the dark we steal the door, till the last light's gone. The snow on the mountain, I heard the wolves below.
I heard the old world calling from a place we cannot go.
But in that cave of echoes, where the moonlight fell, we kept our oath together, and we wore the night so well.
Nightingale, sing my name.
Shadow thief. Nightingale, take the flame.
Nightingale, take the flame.
Shadow thief. In the dark we steal the door, until the last light's gone.
If they bury my body,
Let them find no gold,
only a black feather
and a story told.